Hi, I'm trying to back up my own YouTube videos, and then not just back up, but I want to move certain videos out of the channel and then put it, organize the videos uh, amongst the channels. So as you can see, I have some game recordings, and then it's it's along with the gardening videos. So I just wanted to organize it, and I couldn't find a way to move them to a different channel. There is no way, as far as I can see. And I did a quick search and found out only way to do that is just download it to your hard drive and upload it to the other channels. So then how do you download it? You can just click here and just hit download. And also I found this tiny program called yt-dlp that actually downloads it for you, and then and it's pretty fast. So I'll show that method in few seconds. So first, of course, we have to go get the file, this installer program. No affiliation, but I searched the web and I found out Major Geek have this file. So I was actually searching it this way, and then the GitHub page was a little confusing for me, and then after a few searches I remember I saw a Major Geek website, and right now it's not showing, of course, my luck. And I know these people, the website, I used it many years ago, and happy to see it's still up and running. So here's the file, and I'm gonna download the 64-bit version. So this is gonna count to 5 seconds, and it's gonna show me an advertisement like this, and then it shows the file, and you can pick your folder, wherever you want to save it. You can just I chose downloads, and that's where I hit click save here, and it downloaded there for me earlier. So that part is done. And then I created a folder, separate folder, so you don't have to. I did. So I right clicked on local disk C and chose new folder, and I gave it a name called tech. And once it's created, I double clicked on tech, just like this, double click, and you're in the folder, and copy and paste the file I just downloaded. So we're good to go on that part. So the file is there, I know what I want to download, and then but this thing, you cannot just double click on this, it doesn't work like that. So it doesn't work like that. It says instead call it from command line. So I'm gonna close that and show you how to do it. I right click here, and I'm looking for PowerShell or command window. It's not there. So I'm gonna hold the shift key on the keyboard and right click with the mouse, and now I have PowerShell option here. Open PowerShell window here. There we go. So now that part is ready. So let's go find what video I want to download. So I want to download my first video, and I'll click on get shareable link. When you click there, it just copies the link to that video in the memory into the clipboard. Then I'll go back to my PowerShell thing window, and then I type yt, and then on your keyboard press tab. It will fill the rest, and I'll press Ctrl V as in Victor to paste the link I just copied, and I'll press enter. So this is gonna go do its thing, and it's gonna take how many seconds? It says ETA is 20 seconds. Alright, let's give it a try. Let's see if it's actually 20 seconds. %80 done. And done. So if I open this folder with the File Explorer, how do you do that? Is just click the yellow button, it says File Explorer, and go to C, and then go into the text folder I just created, and here's my video. That's how you download it with the yt tool.